Okay, so in this video, we are going to show you how we can fix the issue with virus detected pop-up on Android phone. This type of adwares tracks your activity to filter out ads related to your activity and searches, and this can be annoying, which is why it should be removed. These types of adwares comes up bundled with apps, or may install them onto your browser via another site. So in this guide, I'll show you the steps we can take to remove this and any other adware from your browser. So first of all, we need to go to settings. Um, let's open top menu and click on this gear icon to go to settings. Let's try again. Okay, in settings we go to apps, or it can be application manager depending on your device or Android version. Shift to all apps from here, and then choose your browser. So we are using Chrome. So in Chrome, we need to select first of all forced stop, and then we will need to go storage, or you can get the option on the same screen to clear cache or clear data. So on this version of Android, we'll go to storage, and then we can clear cache from here. Once this is done, that will be that will all we need. Generally, we just need to clear our browsing data and cache. You may have a different browser. If it doesn't have to be Chrome to do this. You can do the same step for your browsers that you're using on your Android. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.